Hi, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to remove green screen in CapCut PC. Here we are in our CapCut editor. We want to add our green screen video here, so first let's click on this import button, look for the video, and then click on it, and then click open. Now it has been imported. Next is to add it to our track here, so just click and hold on that video and drag and drop it where you need it to be. As you can see here, it is now on top of our video, but we need it to be transparent, so we have to get rid of that green screen. So to do that, make sure first the green screen video is highlighted and the cursor is within that video. Next is to go to the right panel. You should be under video, and then under video are these options here. You need to go into cut out. Then we have to check this box to turn on chroma key. Once that's checked, it will enable the color picker. Click on the color picker icon and get the green screen color. Once that's done, it will let you adjust the strength and shadow. Increasing the strength cancels out more of the green color. I suggest to test it out while checking the preview because some of the color on the video might cancel out as well. Mine works at 100% strength and I'd like some shadow on it, so I'll put it at 15. And that's actually it. That's how you remove green screen in CapCut PC.
If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.